All right, as this song starts, open the eyes of my heart. We're not playing just yet. We're going to come in at the end of the verse, and we're just going to kind of slide in the top of the E octave where the two dots are. Until then, we're just holding the strings so they don't reverberate. I want to see you. I want to see you. Just let it ring out. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord Jesus. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. See you. First bridge. Two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Playing half notes. Fade all the way out because we're about to do 6 or 7 bridges right here. First 2 bridges, the second time we do the bridges, no bass. We'll come in on the 3rd bridge. Not doing very much, but I will use my I'll use my volume knob and kind of fade myself in. So just kind of watch what I do here. Holding my strings. Okay, get ready. Hit the A, fade yourself in. Right? beats each.